hello to all my friends out there. And so I was busy, and so what I was doing, I was shopping, of course. So one of the things I bought, and I have been buying, is this adorable jean jacket. Now this is cute. This is really cute. And I will be selling these. These are really cute for the kids, and they're pretty much indestructible. And I have my Karen Kane glasses. I shopped like crazy for glasses today, and I couldn't find any. Okay, but you know, eventually you've got to eat. So I made, ooh, this looks good. Let me show you. This is yummy. Chicken fajita. And it's cheap too. Okay, you know, I bought the chicken dirt cheap. Of course. And I like to cook my tortillas. I heated the pan and I put my buttery cooking spray in there because the tortillas taste much better if you cook them. And so now let me put a little fajita. One thing about this is it makes a lot. This is a good little fajita. And well, I think I need a little more meat. I only used 3 chicken thighs. I roasted them. Scroll down if you want to see exactly how I did it. And I bought these onions and bell peppers at Dollar Tree, and they use about a half a package. I bought these tortillas at Dollar Tree. I bought the fajita mix. I just sprinkled it on, you know, just enough to, you know, season it. And I stockpile these for quick dinners. Dollar Tree. Okay. Now, let's have a little black pepper. Yummy. This is going to be a good little burrito. A good little fajita burrito. Yummy. And I still have my iced tea. I find this stuff, you know, I think I'm gonna... Okay, so, you know, like this week I have bought a lot of items at Dollar Tree and 99¢ only. This coming week, I am going to go to, you know, various grocery stores and see if I can find items cheaper than $1. I thought, you know, this is, you know, it's possible maybe, all right, let me taste this. Ooh, yummy. Look. Chicken fajitas. And I was messing around with my wedding dress all day. That's the first wedding dress I've ever tried to sell. It's very beautiful. But mostly I want to start a swap meet jean business. So I was shopping for jeans as well. Because out here, you know, the kids need jeans for school. Well, and adults too, you know, I wear them myself. See, cute. God bless you all.